Yeah, people, you don't know beer vibes, as I may say, beer trending topic. So, the great one, the British, late to rest. Yeah, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, my general, I don't know. You do your part in a life, as I may say. Yes, so just go and big up there yourself. And remember, me I tell you, the turnout wasn't a normal turnout, cause you know what I mean? The whole of the girl them turn out. When we would have sent out a Jamaican with the whole of the hot girl them turn out, you see me I say? The whole of the Jenna them turn out and represent for the Jenna, you see me? You know what I mean? It was a wonderful turnout. The churchyard, the ram, the church, man, I tell you, it could even hold people, you see me I say? The amount of photography people there, you see me I say? The amount of people, you know what I mean, are falling from different country. You know what I mean, are flying. You see me I say, people? Yes, so Oney. Yeah, man, sleep in peace. You see me I say, my general. Don't know me, just I shed my condolences from Vybz TV to all, you know what I mean, to all of the loved ones them, you see me I say, and everyone who, you know what I mean, bereaved for the loss. Is it? Yeah man, so as you can see now, you can look, you know what I mean, couple of the video clips them, you know what I mean, and couple of the pics them, you see me I say, at the scene, you know what I mean. Yeah man, I just love how the ones them come out in a discipline and order and make the thing just work. You know what I mean? Make it just flow nice. You know what I mean? And just make it go on. You know what I mean? General rest in peace. You see it. Big up again, you know. You know what I mean? From Vybz TV to all of the ones that turn out for the one funeral. You see me? Yeah man, alright, this is an icon in the business and a years. Cause you don't know from a boy I grew up here them one the name is me I say until you grow up for know who, you know what I mean, is one the British, you see it? Yeah man, so you don't know any people. You can share your comments too, you know what I mean? Subscribe. Tell somebody about Beer Vibes TV. Cause Beer Vibes, beer trending topic and beer things. You know what I mean?